Race number 3. And the race is on. Calibato Kid from the outside, My Queen. And moving up by the rails, Go Go. Snake Go, Snake Go. It's now My Queen, Calibato Kid, Midnight Meet, Go Go, Snake Go, Snake Go. Whistler from the outside and Sing Lorky is running at the tail of the field. My Queen, Calibato Kid, Midnight Meet, Whistler. Go, go, Snake Go is running by the Ralphie, and Sing Lorky still running at the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, My Queen by a length and a half. Midnight Meet in the middle, Caribado Kid alongside is Whistler, and Go, Snake Go by the Ral and Sing Lorky. As they race the last 500, My Queen is still leading by a length and a half. Midnight Meet, and on the outside running by the Red Calibado Kid. Go, Snake Go by the Red Seeing Lorky. And nearing the finish line, it's still My Queen by a length and a half. Whistler on the outside is entry number 3 in this one is Midnight Meet. Whistler from the outside, Midnight Meet and My Queen. And finally out of Pabla, Whistler, Midnight Meet, number 6, Calibato Kid, rather number 6, My Queen, Seeing Lorty, Calibato Kid, and Go Go.